Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is going to be super fun. I'm using, of course, this sketch from My Favorite Things. I've used it before in the past. It's still one of my favorites. And I had a large piece of that paper from the Breathe collection from Kaiser Craft. So we're going to use it for this particular collection. And I'm using a sticker that was in the sticker book for one of the focal images. Okay, so let's start with our mat. This is 4 1/8 by 5 1/8, by 5 3/8, excuse me. And then on my top half here, I made it 4 by 4. Okay, and I did that because I knew with making my mat 4 1/8, it would give me an 1/8 of an inch at the top and on the sides. I'm just trying to figure out which way I want the flower to go. All right, and then once that's down, I'm going to take this piece here, which I want to say the width of it is 1 1 1/4, I believe. And I just added or made the length part the 4 inches as well, so it would line up with the top, the top paper. And it creates a little space, which is not a problem because as you see to the left, I have the peel-offs, and I'm going to use that as a way to cover up the gap. And like I said before in previous videos, if you don't have peel-offs, you can always use a piece of paper that you've cut out. It doesn't have to be an 1/8 of an inch or, that tiny. It could be, make it a 1/4 inch and make it go across the middle. Whatever you want to do. Ribbon, you use washi tape if it's like more opaque washi tape. If it sees through, then it kind of defeats the purpose, you know what I mean? Because you're trying to hide that, the split between the two pieces. All right, and I'm using, as always with everything I put down, the ATG tape, or I'm using my tape runner today, and art glitter glue. That gives me a little bit of time to do that. I can pick it up, move it, and not ruin my card base. And then once that's down, I'm gonna make a little boo-boo, but I recover quickly. I got my tape down, I'm putting my glue, I'm ready to get this down, and I realize I didn't put my little glitter accent piece. Oh, don't do it yet. We made it. I didn't have touchdown. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that glitter strip. And once that's pressed down, then I'm going to grab my focal image that's prepped and ready and attach that to the card front and press down, making sure that it's nice and flat. And then I already have one of the stickers. It says blessed. And I just put a little bit of foam under behind that to give it a little bit of height, give it a little bit of interest. And then on this one, I'm going to put my 3 Nuvo drops down here at the bottom. And I try sometimes to keep them the same size. I think on my test piece, I did make it a little bit bigger. Oh, I think they went a little bit, maybe a little bit bigger. So like the top one, and then it was bigger by the time I got to the last one. Give it a little bit of interest. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. I would greatly appreciate it. And definitely leave some comments down below. I love reading them, and I always try and answer. It's fun, and I appreciate it so much. And keep an eye out. I may be doing my videos a little different. I'm thinking of changing up my days a little bit, but just hit that notification bell, and then that way you won't have to worry about it. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day.